Hello and welcome to my page. My name is Barrister Chomani. Today I'm going to be telling you 7 common mistakes most of us make in ownership of land. Number 1 is buying landed property in the name of your child who is below the age of 21 years. It sounds great until the ownership of that land becomes at stake. It is not easy to establish the legal capacity of a child who is below the age of 21 years. Now, the best thing you can do is to buy that landed property in your name, then will it to your child in a will document. Number 2 is buying joint property. Husband and wife buying property in their joint names is great, but none of you can actually will out that property in a will document because nobody can actually ascertain who dies first or who dies second, unless both of you, of course, decide to poison each other and die at once. Number 3 is buying land and leaving it fallow for trespassers to begin to lay claim on it. You see all those empty land you see around you, there are small kiosks on it and there are people residing there. After a period of 12 years, there are trespassers. They may begin to lay claim on that land because no one has actually come out to say this is my own or this is not my own. Number 4 mistake is buying family property without having every member of that family sign that document showing that you are now the new owner. If there are 10 owners of that land in that family, make sure they all sign. This is to remove the implication of one of them coming in future to say, I was not told, I was not contacted, it's fraud. The court will look at what he's saying because he did not sign, he did not get involved. Number 5 mistake is buying a landed property from an agent without the agent showing you a power of attorney, giving him the power to sell on behalf of his principal. It's not enough that he showed you that power of attorney. It is best you open that document and see a clause inside that document showing that the principal, the owner of that land, has actually given him the power to sell on his behalf, and make sure that particular power of attorney is properly signed. Number 6 mistake we make is buying property without proper investigation. If it's a virgin land, of course there should be letter of allocation from the community issue as the village head. If it's a land that has been sold before, urban area, why not take the deed of assignment or lease, go to the Ministry of Land, make proper inquiry before you buy. Number 7 major mistake is when problem arises from this land, who do you go to? Yes, the police, you can go there if there has been unrest and crime committed as to that crime. The police, as to that land, the police can prosecute the crime on that land. But the police has no power to determine who actually is the owner. It is only the court of law that is vested with that right to determine who owns the land in Nigeria. If you found this information helpful, please don't forget to follow, like, comment, and share. Stay tuned for more.